unbiased. News with no exception. Delivering nothing but the truth. This is GSC 104 Daily Newscast. It's October 18, 2021, Monday. Good morning, this is Midzi Terence Paran and you are watching GSC 104 Daily Newscast, serving you the hottest and most leading news of the hour. Your news, our business. For the headline, we will talk all about language of mathematics. To know what is mathematical language, here's Nawaf Mayo for the details.
Hello to everyone, and I am here to tell you what is a mathematical language. A mathematical language is a language used by mathematicians to communicate with each other, to talk about mathematical ideas, and create other formulas that are only known to them. This language has symbols, proficiency, numbers, and many more. These are used by mathematicians for them to have a distinct communication, and only them can understand what this language is about, since it is used only for the purpose of understanding math more and more. This is Nawaf Mayo reporting, your news, our business.
To determine why is mathematical language so concise, Muad Abdul Kader has this report.
Hello everyone. So the given question is, why is mathematical language so concise? So the reason why is mathematical language so concise, because it is a formal language and semantics are fixed and the pragmatics come from the area of use. When we say semantics, semantics is the branch of linguistic and logic concerned with meanings. So there are a number of branches and sub-branches of semantics, including formal semantics. When we say formal semantics, which study the logical aspects of meanings such as sense, reference, implication, and logical forms. Then the other forms of semantics is lexical semantics. When we say lexical semantics, which study words meaning and words relations. And the other form also of semantics is conceptual semantics. When we say conceptual semantics, which studies the cognitive structures of meaning. So when we say pragmatics, so the pragmatics is the branch of linguistics dealing with the language in use and the context in which it is used. So including such matters as deixis, the takings of turns in conversation, text organization, presupposition, and application. This is Muad reporting, your news, our business.
To know why is mathematical language so precise, here's Liana May Palomar for the details.
Thank you, Ms. Michi. And now, live here in MSU Marawi City. Why mathematical language so precise? Because math is the art of identifying obligatory facts from principles whose accuracy is not referred into doubt, and whose truth is questioned by employing logic principles, whose truth is not unquestionable. Comparing the numbers to words draw attention to math's accuracy. For example, when you buy a dress in a fashion store, you will receive a receipt with the numbers and words indicating the value of dress you purchase. Up to you, Ms. Michi.
To understand why is mathematical language so powerful, Nawaf Dimaraig has this report.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are going to discuss why is mathematical so powerful. Okay, so math is a powerful tool for global understanding and communication. Using it, students can make sense of the world and solve complex and real problems. It gives us a way to understand patterns, to quantify relationships, and to predict the future. So, math is powerful because it can be applied in each and every field on earth. For example, every technological device like gadgets, it can use mathematics. One clear example to demonstrate the power of mathematics is the use of cryptography, which is a major thing in communication. So, to explain to you about the terminology I used, cryptography is associated with the process of converting ordinary plain text into an intelligible text and vice versa. So that's all.
Grammar in mathematics is found out that it is same in every country. Here's Junri Ibalye for the update.
Yes, people believe that all around the world, math is the same. It is taught the same exact way in every school and every country. Although the end result of teaching and doing math is exactly the same everywhere, small differences in how it's taught shapes who we are and how math affects our lives. Well, math is a universal language because the symbols and organization to form equations are the same in every country of the world. In learning this language, you are opening yourself up to the core mechanisms by which the cosmos operates. Yet, through mathematics, you are able to understand how these things exist in the world. This is Junri Rizal Ibalye reporting. Your news, our business.
To determine the importance of using symbols in mathematical language, here's Najib Hassan for the detail.
Why do we need to use symbols in mathematical language? We need to use symbols in mathematical language in order to represent values, concepts, and thoughts of what we are doing in calculating. For instance, the addition sign, subtraction sign, multiplication sign, and division sign are basic symbols of mathematics of showing and explaining their parts in dealing mathematics. Symbols has a significant role in the world of mathematics. Symbols are primarily used to indicate, determine, and distinguish the different functions of different numbers. Moreover, symbols can also have meanings in the same way as an ordinary words. More importantly, we really need to use symbols in mathematical language for different purposes. It is used to represent mathematical information, which makes it easier to understand different expressions and to show the relationship between quantities. Once again, this is Najib Hassan reporting. Your news, our business.
To determine how mathematical formulas used in natural language, here's Mitzi Paran for the details. Live at the Math Company, natural language refers to how humans communicate with each other, namely speech and text. Mathematical formulas are used in natural language because it helps in applying mathematical concepts and theorems to new situations. It also provides framework, helps to think alternative methods of solving problems, and helps in a better understanding of the world around us. Example for this is research articles in academic journals are sources for detailed theoretical discussions about ideas concerning mathematics and its implications for society. This is Mitzi Paran reporting. This has been Mitzi Terence Paran and we, the Sushi Group, Ibalye, Palomar, Paran, Abdul Kader, Hassan, Dima Arig and Mayo of JEC 104 Mathematics in the Modern World Section CC2 would like to thank Professor Maida B. Makababat for providing the questions as our guide in this activity, which goal is to talk and discuss about language of mathematics. And see you again next time for another 10 minutes of news with no bias, news with no exception. This is GSE 104 Daily Newscast. Your news, our business.